When Isaiah got a revelation of God's holiness, he saw himself for what he really was. Sinful, wretched, deserving of damnation and hellfire. The man cursed his own self. He said, woe is me, i.e., Isaiah was broken over his sinful nature. Broken over the things that's in his heart. This is us getting a revelation of the holiness of God and be broken over the things that bruise his heart. The things that I love that bruise his heart. The relationship I love that bruise his heart. The sin that I love that bruises his heart. I think it and I'm grieved. I do it and I'm grieved. I sex it and I'm grieved. I speak it and I'm grieved.